Hello everyone. Today we will compare 5 different projector models. If you're looking for a home theater, gaming, or portable projector, this guide is just for you. We will take a look at the most popular models from Epson, BenQ, Samsung, Optoma, and LG, and determine which one suits different users best. Let's get started. This device is a true beast for those looking for a high-end 4K Pro UHD laser projector. With HDR10+ and HLG support, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 1,200,000 to 1 contrast ratio, it offers a true cinema experience. Additionally, its motorized lens shift and zoom make installation easy. Who is it for? Those who want to create a real home cinema environment. Gamers who want smooth 120Hz visuals. Users looking for a high-end projector instead of a TV. Pros: stunning image quality, laser light source, 20,000 hour lifespan, HDMI 2.1, low input lag. Cons: expensive, not portable. If you don't want lag while gaming, are looking for a 4K HDR experience, and need a big image in a small space, the TK710STi is for you. It projects a 100-inch image from just 2 meters away. With a low input lag, R4.16 milliseconds, and a 120Hz refresh rate, it's ideal for console gamers. Who is it for? Gaming enthusiasts. Great for FPS and racing games. Those needing a big screen in a short space, users looking for a smart projector with built-in Android TV. Pros: short throw projection, low lag, HDR10 and HLG support, bright and clear image. Cons: black levels are not top tier, may not provide deep cinematic depth. Samsung's The Premier series is designed for those who prefer a minimalist setup. Thanks to its ultra-short throw projection, you can achieve a large screen from a very short distance. The LSP9T model features triple laser technology for exceptional color accuracy. With its built-in smart TV interface, you can access Netflix, YouTube, and more without additional devices. Who is it for? Those who want to use a projector instead of a TV. Minimalists who prefer a cable-free setup. Users looking for a true 4K cinema experience. Pros: ultra-short throw projection, built-in smart TV, powerful speakers. Cons: high input lag for gaming, expensive. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance projector, Optoma HD146X is a great choice. With 3,600 ANSI lumens brightness, a 16 millisecond response time, and a 50,000 to 1 contrast ratio, it is ideal for both gaming and movie nights. However, it is not a 4K device, only full HD. Who is it for? Budget-conscious users looking for capable projector gamers who need low input lag. Users who need a bright display. Pros: affordable, low input lag, bright image. Cons: not 4K, lacks smart TV features. Finally, we have the LG CineBeam PF510Q, which is perfect for mobile use. It weighs just 1 kilogram, supports full HD resolution, and comes with WebOS, allowing direct access to Netflix, YouTube, and more. With AirPlay and Bluetooth connectivity, it offers seamless wireless functionality. Who is it for? Users looking for a compact and portable projector, those who want wireless connectivity and smart features, anyone wanting a small room cinema experience. Pros: lightweight and portable, wireless connectivity, smart TV features. Cons: 450 ANSI lumens, brightness isn't very strong, requires a dark room. Which one is for you? If you want true home cinema and top-tier quality, Epson LS11000. If gaming and low input lag are a priority, BenQ TK710STi. If you want a TV replacement with a minimalist setup, Samsung The Premier. If you need a budget-friendly but powerful projector, Optoma HD146X. If you want a lightweight, portable, and smart option, LG CineBeam PF510Q. Which projector would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.